Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to delete an ad account on Facebook. The first thing we need to do is open any browser and go to facebook.com, log into your account. At the top right of your screen, you should see a three-dotted icon, which is the menu icon. Go ahead and click on it. From here, scroll down a bit until you see the section for Ads Manager. Click on it. Once you do, Ads Manager should load. Now we need to access our settings to proceed with deleting the ad account. To do this, look for the settings or gear icon. Usually located at the bottom left, you should see the settings or gear icon and click on it. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on it, a new page will load with various account settings options. You should be able to see the ad account setup. In this section, we need to look for the business payment section. Here you should see the deactivate ad account link. Now, this might be hard to see, so make sure you look carefully. Once you find and click on it, you should be able to deactivate your ad account. It will also ask you to provide a reason for deactivating your ad account. So go ahead and choose your reason. Once you've done that, click on Deactivate Ad Account. You might be asked to confirm your password to complete the process. But if you've changed your mind and want to keep your ad account active, just click on Activate Ad Account here, and you should be good to go. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching.